my name is Joseph Washington, and I'll be doing an original reply post for Austin Gordon's presentation. No, oleandrin will not cure your COVID. So my overall takeaway from his presentation is that I enjoyed it, and I really liked the poster. I felt that it really went well with the flower, with the colors, and it really popped. My only suggestion would be for the pink, the color was really bright, made it sort of difficult to read the text. So if you could find a darker color that matched well with the flower, that would have been great. The only other point is the counter argument. So I guess although we're all currently living in the pandemic and are totally aware, especially being public health and healthcare professionals, of what the necessary steps are to take, I think if we were to utilize this presentation for an audience of individuals not in our discipline, it may have been beneficial to include a deeper background on why someone like a CEO of MyPillow, which is, the CEO of MyPillow versus promoting a supplement is like two very different things, but he's able to sort of push the narrative about the oleander because of the situation, because of the moment, because the world is really in a rampage to find some sort of cure for SARS-CoV-2, which is the virus that causes COVID-19. So under that shadow, he's able to sort of disseminate this information on news outlets, although it isn't founded, and increases the risk greatly of some sort of adverse effect if a patient were to take the oleandrin. So I think providing that background a little more, and that there are proven ways to sort of mitigate the spread of the virus, like proper hygiene with hand washing, covering your mouth when you sneeze or cough, wearing a mask, staying 6 feet away if you have to sort of engage with society. So all of these methods are all proven and could have been added to the presentation to really provide sufficient background, as well as the fact that there are a number of pharmaceutical companies with vaccines currently on clinical trials in a race to try to find something that is effective against this virus. So I think adding those 2 points for, just like a background of information, although we are currently in that situation and are aware, if we were to sort of disseminate these presentations out to the general public, I think it would be beneficial in the scope of the argument.